It's early morning on this adventurous day. Wandering the grounds of the Bonneville Dam hatchery, all is calm. The steady drone of the dam falls away. I have to give the rainbow trout credit here for competing for our attention. But the real stars of the show were the sturgeon. Ancient shapes drifting slowly along the bottom. These fish have been doing their thing for about 200 million years, give or take. I must say, this was a special visit, slowly easing us into the day ahead. We ducked into the Bonneville Dam Visitor Center briefly. Outside, the spillway and fish ladder stretched out below us. Inside, the underwater windows put us right into that stair-step channel of rushing water. I'm just going to get this footage for the next film we do where the protagonist drowns. Next up, we walked onto the Bridge of Gods, spanning the Columbia River between Oregon and Washington, part of the Pacific Crest Trail. A requisite selfie in Washington before we headed back on the opposite side. The wind hit hard, eyes on the traffic in one direction, the river far below on the other. It was equal parts exciting and a little nerve-wracking. But the views up and down the gorge, worth every step. Quick picnic lunch and we're ready to tackle what's next. Cascade locks flipped the whole mood. PCT Days turns this small riverside town into a gathering point for one of the most eclectic communities around. Weekend warriors trying on the newest ultralight gear, retirees who've hiked a section of this trail every summer for a decade, and of course, through hikers, 3 months deep into the trail with that 1,000-yard stare. Having walked a few significant trails ourselves, Linda and I blended into the crowd without revealing our superpower.
Got me an osprey pack.
Oh yeah, that's pretty snazzy.
Snazzy, huh?
Two kinds of peace in one day. One from silence, one from the company of kindred strangers.